Hello, today we will guide you through how to bulk upload in Google Ads. We'll start from the Google Ads overview page and navigate to the correct section for managing campaigns in bulk. From the left side navigation, click on Campaigns. Then, click Campaigns again, and in the drop-down menu, choose Campaigns. This takes you to the Campaign List view, which is the area you'll use for both downloading a template and uploading your bulk changes. First, we'll cover how to download the file you can use for bulk editing. On the right side of the campaign list, click the download icon. This opens the export options for the data currently shown on screen. Next, click More Options. In this area, make sure the editable columns for bulk upload are selected. This is important because those columns determine what fields you'll be able to update in your file. Once those editable columns are checked, click Download. At this point, you'll have a file you can review and update outside of Google Ads. This helps save time when you need to make changes across multiple campaigns at once. Before uploading, it's a good idea to double-check that your edits match the column format exactly, since bulk uploads work best when the file structure stays consistent. Now that the file is ready, return to the campaign page in Google Ads. Click the three-dot menu, also called the More menu. From the options that appear, click File Upload. This opens the bulk upload tool where you can bring your edited file back into the platform. Next, click Select Source. Then choose Upload a File. After that, click Select a file from your computer and browse to the file you previously downloaded and updated. Once you've selected the correct file, Google Ads will prepare it for import. Finally, click Apply to move forward with the upload. This confirms the file selection and starts processing your bulk changes. Depending on the size of the file, it may take a moment for the platform to complete the action, so give it a little time if needed. That's the full process for bulk uploading in Google Ads. Download the editable file, make your updates, open the File Upload tool, select your source, upload the file from your computer, and apply the changes. If you follow each part carefully, bulk uploads can make campaign management much faster and more efficient.